okay?
You look wonderful.
I'm getting anxious.
I know, so just spit it out.
Alright, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today is super exciting because we got a huge part of the build and it's literally huge. So let's go check it out. We were looking for a bed forever and American Bed Wholesalers hooked us up. 2016 F250 bed. So we got this two-tone white and gold bed, and the way it's set up, it kind of looks like it came off of a lariat or something. It has the vinyl stripe down here, which I didn't know. It was literally just vinyl. Like I just like peeled it with my nail. So how do you know there was a cap on here?
Yeah, these right here make me think that this bed's had a cap on it its whole life, considering the whole inside of this and everything, how clean it is, considering it's only 2016.
Yeah, it's got a pretty crappy bed liner in it, but we planned on doing our own anyway. Not a big deal.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get this off, but no.
You don't do that.
You don't do that. We're not gonna take this off, I'm telling you right now.
We just spray over it.
We're gonna.
But what if it like chips? Oh.
It probably will.
Don't use my bed. Not a work truck.
Well, yeah. If you took
could literally just peel this off with your hands.
Well, yeah, you can peel this all day long, but if you wanted to sand this off, you would literally sit there and take years, and it would just burn because it's rubberized. That's what sucks about these crappy coatings is it's literally rubberized. So we couldn't even sand this if we tried.
What do you normally do if you want to put a different bed liner in your truck bed? Which I feel like
usually, I mean, that's not common. But yeah, this Rhino protective coatings, this is like not good. I'm sorry, Rhino, but this is not good. Yeah, so we'll have to figure out something for that.
So the rails are super clean and we did get new bed bolts too. So unlike my old bed, it has all of the support beams. The old bed literally flopped like when you hit it. It's actually the last year of beds that are universal on these Fords.
Sure.
So these are the ones off of my truck.
They almost fit in there and give it that old school look already.
I don't hate that actually. I mean,
I know, I don't. It gives you the old look on the new bed.
And then these are the new ones. I honestly...
See, those look good though. They do, but you know...
I don't like them.
I know, it's different. It literally changed the whole look of the bed because it's like boxy out here. Yeah, a little more lines.
But I think we're gonna go with different taillights and headlights. We obviously have a lot of work to do to the frame. Before we put our new bed on, we gotta cut all of the old rails off and the old bed bolts that we chopped off. And then we'll sand it all down and repaint it. We're gonna fix it so it looks new again. Considering we got the 2016 bed, we were thinking about converting the doors in the front end as well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I had a really great experience working with American Bed Wholesalers. They drove all the way from Maryland to Ohio to drop the bed off, which was super, super awesome of them. So if you guys are shopping for some truck parts, all you have to do is mention this video or mention my name and you'll get $100 off a bed, $50 off doors, tailgates, and bumpers. So a huge, huge shout out to American Bed Wholesalers for that. It's super awesome and I had a wonderful time working with them. So Ford was stupid and decided a 5mm socket, a 5.5mm socket was a good idea, which is so dumb. But we're gonna get this fender off. Babe, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
Okay, it definitely fits.
Just kidding.
It's like I know my Ford bolt sizes.
Dude.
I do. That's why I knew it was a 5.5. Yeah, a lot easier with the drill.
The grill?
The drill.
What were we using?
Well, you cut the other ones off the bed. Your last one. Because we didn't have the socket. We were trapped in the bed anyway. Just pull it. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's disgusting. So we're gonna put the bolts back in there just so we don't lose them. just got the fenders off and we're kind of going back and forth if I want to put them back on. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. We are in a little bit of a different setting. Me and Ryan's bedroom. I don't know, I just thought I wanted to switch things up a little bit. The lighting's so harsh outside. Ladies, you know what I'm saying. Guys, probably not. But ladies, harsh lighting outside. We're sitting in here right now because I got the most exciting email ever, because it's something that I've never bought before or purchased or anything. And I just feel like it's kind of a big deal. And I'm like super stoked about it too. So I got an email saying my wheels have been loaded on to the trailer for delivery. So my wheels should be here tomorrow. I'm super excited. I'm also really excited to see more new parts. I'm tired of looking at rust and all of this nasty on the truck. So I'm really excited to see some nice chrome wheels, and tires are getting ordered tonight or tomorrow very soon, but we'll keep you guys updated with. Let's look at the tracking really quick. So I can't show you guys the wheels yet because I'm super excited about them and why ruin it on a phone screen when you guys can see it in person, or not in person, but see them in person. Okay, so we're gonna track our order here. They're coming from Illinois. Yeah, there's like an appointment date that's empty. So they should call either tonight or probably tomorrow because it's getting late. But yeah, that's super exciting. I wanted to share that with you guys. So I already have my intercooler video filmed and edited. So that will be up very, very soon. I'm really excited to share that with you guys. It was a really fun process and I did a lot of it myself. So definitely look forward to that video coming very, very soon, hopefully within the next couple days. So that'll be the next video you guys see. The wheels should hopefully be here tomorrow, so we will have that video coming soon. And I'm super excited to start working on the frame, get it sanded. Ryan bought like a, I don't really know what it's called, so don't quote me on this. I know he's making a video about it right now, but it's like a attachment to your power washer. I'm gonna have to double check, but basically you put this hose in a bucket of sand and it sandblasts it off of your power washer. So anyway, that is coming soon. So we are gonna be gone from Thursday to Sunday. So when we get back, we're gonna start getting the truck ready. He's so sweet. So we're gonna start getting the truck ready to paint right after our little camping trip. So guys, it's happening. So the truck bed's here, my wheels are coming, the tires are coming, the lift has been here. We are just about ready to start throwing this truck together. And also we do need to find the rear axle. So that will probably be next or close to next. So I can start driving it again because I miss the dang thing. All right, you guys, we just want to thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the little bell so you're notified every single time I upload. And also, don't forget, if you're looking for truck parts, hit up American Bed Wholesalers and they will get that $100 off a bed or $50 off doors, tailgates, and bumpers. So make sure you send this video to their Facebook page and refer me. Yeah, get your truck parts because you don't find discounts often, and he's willing to drive, so definitely recommend them to you guys. And I think that is all. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.